Today is January 8th, 2020, and we're here at Leitrim, the future train station on the Trillium Line South Extension, opening in 2022. So as you can see, this is the existing Leitrim park and ride, the bus platforms and stops. This right here is where the train is going to pass through. It's going to pass through from here and cross through over to there. Now this is going to be a station in the middle of between Bowesville and South Keys stations. The station is going to be 2-track coming through, which means 2 platforms, one on both sides. The station is going to be elevated, and there's going to be a pedestrian underpass to walk underneath to the opposing platform. And to reach the upper level, it's going to be a combination of ramps and probably stairs, maybe elevator to go up. So it's going to be on the far end of the park and ride here. Park and ride is quite expansive, as you can see. And train's going to be coming through here, this section along here. At this point, there isn't really much that can be seen to have been done. It's mostly snow. There's some perimeter fences and cones, but I don't believe there's anything here that's been done yet at this time. So definitely a site to look forward to seeing the progress evolve over the next 2 years as the station opens in 2022, and lots of activity that should start up once this line closes in May and the snow is melted.